Now, Insta360 very kindly sent me a bunch of their new accessories for the Insta360 Ace and the Ace Pro, so we're going to take a look at them in this video today. We've got some really nice ones. Some ones we're going to test out in future videos, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads, because we've got these ND filters that we're going to check out in a future video, maybe to test them out to see what kind of video settings are best for getting the best out of these ND filters and get some really nice motion blur and stuff. So we'll do that in a future video, but I just want to take a look and show you sort of what's available for your new camera if you've purchased either the Ace or the Ace Pro. There's a plethora of accessories. There's so many. I've just got a few of them here, and they are releasing new accessories all the time, like the new ski pole mount they've just released and some other stuff. It's just crazy what they do. They are innovating so fast, and when they release a new camera, they don't just rest on their laurels. They release new stuff to help you get the most out of your new camera, and that's what I love about Insta360. New stuff coming out all the time. It's very exciting. So anyway, without further ado, we've got this carry case that we're going to check out. Now, generally their carry cases are really nice quality, and this one is no exception. We've got like this hard carry case with a sort of built-in lanyard that's on there as well. Nice solid zip, and then you can keep a lot of these accessories in here, and it actually gives you a little layout of how to store your camera and all the accessories and where to put them. So it's all built out with this thing in here already. That's great. You can of course take it out if you want to, but I'll just leave it in there so you can keep everything really nice and organized. So that's great. Okay, that didn't have that in the last one that I've checked out, so that's a really great accessory. What I'm going to do is leave that open, and as we open these, I'm going to put them in there. So what we're going to do is we'll check out the vertical horizontal mount. Let's open this up. This is a new one. I haven't actually seen this. I didn't know they'd released this, but this allows you to obviously mount your camera vertically and horizontally when it's mounted to there, and it's magnetic as well. Oh wow, okay, so we've got the Ace, and you can of course put it on there like so. Let's not try it. Let's cover up the, was it going that way? Like that. So it's like an L bracket that you'd get for a camera for taking photos vertically or horizontally. So if you've got your tripod, you can then mount the camera on here. So we've got a horizontal mode. So then if we want to go vertically, we can turn it round and we can mount the camera vertically like that. So that's phenomenal. Okay, the one thing it hasn't got is a 1/4 inch if you want to use a 1/4 inch mount, but that's great, and it's got the little two pinching things on the side there which just pinch to take it off. Really easy and nice accessory. It does work with the Ace Pro, and it works with the Ace as well, so compatible with both cameras depending on which one you've got. Love that. So that's going to go straight in my basket. There's been a lot of talk about this screen and the durability of this camera. I've got no issues whatsoever with it. I think it's going to be fine. I've had no problems. I've dropped it a bunch of times. I've been using it non-stop for the last couple of months since it's been released, and you know, not even like a scratch on this thing, to be honest. So, but you have got these screen protectors if you want to put a screen protector on there. There's two in the box. Comes with the application kit as well, like wipes and little squeegee and stuff. So you can put a screen protector on the back of these big 2.4 inch screens, which are fantastic for vlogging, by the way. Flip up like that. It's just phenomenal. I love the design of the flip up screen. It's the same on the Go 3 as well. I love that. I love this. So screen protectors. All of these, by the way, will be linked in the description down below. No matter which one you want to grab, there will be links there. Those will be affiliate links, and it helps the channel grow if you do purchase through that link, so I appreciate it. Now they've bought out a floaty guard, so if you're doing a lot of water sports, this is the accessory for you. And this is, wow, okay, so let's get this in there. This is a floaty. My word, this is big. It comes with a screw thread as well. You are not going to use your camera if you put this on there when you're doing water sports. So it goes in there like that. Fits in nice and easily. You got access to the buttons. The flip screen won't work, but if you drop this into water, that is going to float. It's huge, and you're not going to miss it as well. The one thing that I like about it is that it's bright orange, so if you do drop it in a murky lake or whatever, you'll be able to see this. It's going to be floating on the top of the water like a little buoy for your camera. It's going to work, and you can mount the tripod as well in there. So you've got the tripod mount great accessory. Really big, and yeah, I've never seen something that extreme for a floaty, but they've brought this out. It's great. It's going to make it float. It's a really nice foam material, so that is a wicked accessory. If you're on a jet ski and you're bombing around and you want to make sure that your camera's safe, grab one of these. That is the Floaty guard. Like I've mentioned, we're going to check out the ND filter kit in a future video, so make sure you do subscribe, press the bell. Also for water sports is the dive case. Now, I've had a dive case for the Go 3. It's brilliant. It really helped me out when I was out and about on holiday this last year. Like I've mentioned with the Floaty case, these are waterproof, but if you're going to do anything below the 16 feet, then you're going to need a dive case. So if you're going snorkeling, you're taking a deeper dive, then you're going to need a dive case for your camera. Now this one is for the Ace and the Ace Pro, I think. So we'll test it out with the Ace to make sure it fits. That is the dive case. So that, I mean, fantastic quality. All their accessories are so good. They are built so well. Let's test it with the Ace. I'm presuming it fits in there. It does indeed. So it works with the Ace and the Ace Pro, and you've got your camera in there. You can go down to depths of, okay, so it goes down to 60 meters or 197 feet. It's got a scratch-proof lens on there and a hydrophobic lens coating on the lens. So if you're doing scuba diving, this is a great accessory. The last one came in the box with a little case, so yeah, you get like a little case in there, you can keep it in, and then you've got the anti-fog pads that go in there and slip into the side of the case to stop it fogging up inside when you're in the water. So yeah, it comes with all the stuff you need to get started. That's a great accessory, and yeah, these things are really well built. All the accessories I do are really high quality. I'm always very impressed with the quality of the accessories. Okay, so the last one is the fast charger. Now, if you're shooting a lot of footage with your Ace or Ace Pro, you've got a bunch of batteries. You can charge this. You can charge the batteries fast with this. This is for the Ace and the Ace Pro. Charges 3 batteries simultaneously. Comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable in there, so when you get back off your shoot and you've used a bunch of batteries, you can bung them in here and charge them simultaneously, get them charged up fast. Obviously the battery charge is up to 80% in, I think it was 19 minutes for the Ace Pro, so really fast charging. Great accessories. All of these I really do fully recommend. Make sure you do stay tuned for that video on the ND filter set. We're going to try and make a video on how to get the best motion blur, get how to use these filters, how they work, so we'll do that in a future video. But yeah, some phenomenal accessories, and like I've mentioned, I'm really always very impressed at how good a quality all the accessories are from Insta360, and they're bringing out new ones all the time. So make sure you do subscribe to the channel so you keep up to date with all the latest news. So great accessories. Okay, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment, leave me a comment down below what accessories you'd like to see for your new camera, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.